In this video, we're going to show you how to integrate a Docxpresso template in a post or a page. Just start by creating a page or a post or opening an existing one. Write the title, introduce some text if you wish, and wherever you want to insert the Docxpresso template, you hit the Docxpresso SAS button, and a pop-up will open where you can choose the template you want to insert. Let's click in the first one, and you will be offered some options. Let's choose to show the template like a web form and to get a message as a response. We insert the document and we can preview the result. As you see, the web form appears in your post. We just may fill the requested data, and whenever we hit send, we get the message that we have previously configured. If you prefer to use the block editor integrated in WordPress 5, the process is very similar. You just hit here, choose in widgets, Docxpresso SAS. This button shows up and you just click and select the template as before.